This is what happens when you have your voltmeter on ohms and you test for high voltage. You ruin your voltmeter. So whenever you're going to test for voltage, make sure it's not on ohms or continuity, because it closes the circuit. It creates a path for destruction. See that? Now I got to buy a new one. Here at the supply house, I'm about to spend another $200 on the meter. So if you like to destroy meters, you know what to do. Set your meter on ohms or continuity, check for high voltage, and let the good times roll, baby.